Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. Today I'm talking about the Aqua Marina Cascade. I've had this boat for a little while now and I'm surprised that I actually haven't reviewed it. So today I'm going to talk about this one, tell you what I like about it. Now I paid about 500 quid I think for this, I can't quite recall. Bought it on a bit of an offer, they generally go for about 700. You can see the size on the size of the boat there, 11'2" by 35 inches. Or 340 by 89 by 20 centimeters. This is a true SUP kayak hybrid, and you can probably tell that by the fact that it's got the these grippy bits for your feet on the sides. Now, in the interests of being totally honest, I'm not interested in SUP boarding, so I've never actually tested it out for that. But I know other people have, and their videos are knocking about on YouTube. For me, this is a pleasure leisure craft. I love the stability of it. And yeah, it's just a really nice paddle, to be honest with you. But let's have a look at the boat itself. Carry handles, front, back, and in the middle on both sides. You've got bungee cord, front and back. There's a plethora of D-rings. You've got this big one here that you can use to lash in between all the other D-rings and tie stuff to. It's really good. Underneath, you've got twin skeg mounts, one in the middle and one at the back. Got a load of safety instructions here that tell you how to inflate the boat and what things not to do and what things to do. And then a little bit further up from that you've got a drain plug, and that's just in case you get water in the main chamber. The boat itself, in terms of chambers, you've got a floor chamber and you've got a back chamber, so just two chambers. Don't know whether you've seen the video where I did a catastrophic air loss test in the Go Plus, which is designed exactly the same, and if you lost all the air out of the main chamber, if you had a puncture in that, that will get you to safety, and that's really important. What sets this apart for me from all the other SUP kayak hybrids that I've bought, which is the Go Plus and the Spinera, is the accessories that this comes with. So you get a paddle. It is one of those SUP kayak combination paddles, so you can use it as a SUP paddle, or it's got two blades so you can change it into a kayak paddle. I don't use it, I prefer to use my own paddle. And it also comes with a skirt that goes all the way around and protects you from the elements. And I haven't used that yet either because I just haven't needed to really. I've always been out of my dry suit, so I've not really been overly concerned about that. Sorry about the airplanes, we are by an airfield. Recommended inflation 15 psi, so this main chamber you can inflate to 15 psi. I never have, I've only ever inflated it to 10 because it's solid enough, and the floor chamber there inflates to 10 psi, and that makes this an incredibly rock solid craft, and it's really stable.
If this is what you're used to, this don't go anywhere, does it? You know what I mean? It's solid.
Yeah. No, you'd struggle to tip it. I have done a rocker test in the Go Plus, which is the same size as this, and they're pretty hard to tip. I've never really used this seat, even though it does have quite a nice design feature of actually being able to zip the back around you, but I always find these foamy cushions, they just don't cut it. And it's the same in all kayaks, it's not unique to Aqua Marina. I have a bit of a spinal issue where I get pain in my lower spine, so I need to address that. And I have actually done a video describing what I do to actually make the experience more comfortable. However, the interesting thing about the seat here is you can plop it in here. What I have noticed, which is a bit weird, is there's no D-ring to attach the front strap to. However, if you position the seat here, which is what this Velcro's for, and there is Velcro underneath the seat here so you can position it. If you do position the seat here, you've got the D-rings to attach the straps to. So yeah, I've never paddled it from there. Maybe I should try that at some point. I always stick a seat in here because I just feel more comfortable in the cockpit. And that's what it's about, right? Comfort. This is my favourite out of these SUP kayak hybrids. I really like this. I really rate this. They're not the fastest of boats. They're not as sleek and streamlined as, say, the Story that I've got, or a Tomahawk, or a Sea Eagle Razorlight. They're a beautiful leisure craft. Yep, it's definitely Christmas. They will do round about 3.5 miles an hour if you're a pretty good paddler. You can get it up to 4. It depends how strong a paddler you are. It glides nicely, feels safe on the water. Yeah, good boat. Let me know in the comments if you've got anything you want to ask, and I'll try and answer it if I can. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this useful. Cheerio. Oh, and if you like and subscribe stuff, if you like what I'm doing, yeah, blah, blah, blah.
The leap of faith. He's even got his Crocs in 4-wheel drive. Your Crocs in 4-wheel drive mode. Go on.
I'm going to see him going here.
He's missed it altogether. Oh, we've got Alan in now. Hello, Alan. Here's a wave.